Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are very fit and fine. Okay student, so student we have discussed the chapter light reflection and refraction. So as this chapter is completed, so it's time for discuss few numericals. So today I am targeting NCERT numericals. Okay, so let's start. Student, here I am not writing the questions, I am only giving you solutions and I will provide the PDF of all the questions. Okay, so you don't worry, you just watch the video and try to understand, and then I will send you one PDF related to all these questions. Okay, so the question is, find the focal length of convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32. What? We have given the radius of curvature is radius of curvature equal to 32. So we have to find out the focal length. So what will be the formula for focal length? You all knows, I think, that focal length equal to half of the radius of curvature. If radius of curvature is 32, so focal length will be 16 meter. If is it in meter? Okay, if radius of curvature is it is centimeter, so it will be in centimeter. Okay, this one. Student, now the next question is, a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of the object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. We have a concave mirror and object is placed in front of concave mirror and object is placed 10 centimeter before the mirror, and the image we have obtained, that is 3 times magnified. Where is the image located? What is the formula of magnification? M equal to minus height of image to the height of object equal to minus V over U. So as given that the height of image is 3 times as that of height of object. Okay, means size. So it will be 3 times of height of object. So magnification will be equal to minus 3. Okay, so now put the value of M equal to minus 3 here again. Minus 3 equal to minus V over U, and we have placed the object 10 centimeter before the mirror. So minus 3 equal to minus V over minus 10, because we have placed the object before the mirror. Okay, means we will measure the distance from pole to negative direction of x-axis. That's why we have taken it negative. So V equal to minus 30 centimeter. Okay, so this is the position of image. Okay, and the negative sign shows that image will be formed before the mirror, because negative sign, this is the negative sign, and it will be real and inverted, and yes, and already given that height of the image is 3 times the height of the object, so it will be magnified, inverted, real, and before the mirror. So student, next question is, light enter from air to glass having refractive index n equal to 1.50. What is the speed of light in glass? Okay, the speed of light in vacuum is given by 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. What is given in the question? We have given a light ray entering from vacuum to glass. Okay, and the refractive index of glass is this. So we have to find out the speed of light in glass. So beta, what is the formula of refractive index? N equal to speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in any medium. So value of N is 1.55. C equal to, you all knows that what is the speed of light in air, sorry, vacuum, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So V equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 1.55. Okay, so by solving it, how we will solve it? 3 into 10 to the power, you write it 300 into 10 to the power 6 10 to the power 8 upon 155. 60, 5 3 are 15, 31. Approximately, I am telling, approximately it will be 1.9 into 10 to the power 8. Approximately meter per second. Approx, because I have not divided it correctly, because 32 are 60, it is 31, so it will be little less 2 times. Okay. Next question is, a convex lens form a real and inverted image of needle at a distance of 50 cm from it. Okay. Where is the needle placed in front of convex lens if image is equal to the size of object? What we have given? We have given that size of image is equal to the size of object, and we have to find out the power. Means we have to find out the focal length, and we have to find out the power. So what we have given? Convex lens form the real and inverted image which is formed at distance V equal to 50 cm from it, means towards the positive direction of x-axis. Okay. And we have given that the size of image is equal to the size of object. Okay. M equal to hi over h naught, means height of image to the height of object, and actually it is written that convex lens form real and inverted, means image is invert, so it will be negative. Both height are same, but it will be negative. Okay. Now M equal to V over U. What is V? 50. So U will also 50 minus 50 centimeter. Okay. How? Because we know that M equal to height of image to the height of object. From here we got M equal to -1. Then M equal to V over U. So value of M is -1. We have got this. So M equal to V over U. Value of V is 50. So what we will we will calculate the value of U here. What is the value of U? Equal to -50 centimeter. Now we have to find out the focal length. F equal to 1 upon F equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. So V is 50 centimeter minus K 50. So it will be 50, 2 upon 50, 1 upon F. F equal to 25 centimeter. This will be the focal length of mirror. And you all know that power equal to 1 upon focal length. If it is in meter, 100 upon focal length, when it is in centimeter. So it will be, power will be centimeter inverse, means 4 diopter. Okay, just wait, I am checking the answer. Yeah, our answer is correct. Student, next question is, find the power of concave lens of focal length 2 meter. What? We have to find out the power of convex lens, concave lens, whose power is how much? Whose focal length is 2 meter. Find the power of concave lens whose focal length is 2 meter. F equal to 2 meter, 2 centimeter, sorry, 2 meter, yes. power equal to 1 upon f, so it will be 1 upon 2, but we have to take its negative sign. Why? Because this is the concave lens, and what will be happen, how the image will be formed, when it will, the ray, incoming rays will strike at this point and it will be deviate like this. So when we will draw it backside, this point will be the focus, and this point is before the lens, so we will measure the distance from this point, so we will take it negative minus f, so it will be minus k 0.5 diopter. Okay, student, coming to the next question. An object 5 cm in length is placed 20 cm away from the converging lens. So student, you must know what is the meaning of converging lens and what is the meaning of diverging lens. So what is written? An object 5 cm in length is placed 25 cm away from the converging lens of focal length 10 cm. Focal length 10 cm. Okay. Draw the ray diagram and find the position, size and nature of the image. So in this, what we are given, height of object is 5 cm. This one is 5 cm. We have to find out the height of image, we have to find out the distance of image, and we have given focal length equal to 10 cm. So student, we will apply the lens formula. What it is? 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. So it is 1 upon 10 equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. What is the I not written here? Value of u, it is 25 cm. What it is? 25. U equal to minus 25 cm. Okay. So what will be its final value? 1 upon v equal to 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 25. Okay. So take 50 as LCM. 5. So it will be 3 upon 50. 1 upon v. So v equal to 50 upon 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9 centimeter. So image will form at 13.3 centimeter distance from the mirror. Okay, just wait, I am checking. 50 upon 3 is 5 1 ja 5. So 3 1 ja 3, beta, actually just a little bit mistake here. 3 1 ja 3, 2 will remain, 3 6 ja 18, 16.6. Okay, yeah. Now what we have to, so we have got v equal to positive 16.6, means image will form behind the lens. Now we will calculate HI. How? Magnification equal to height of image to the height of object to the distance of image to the distance of object. Okay, so HI equal to height of object. So what is the height of object? 5 equal to V. What is the V? V is 16.6 and U is 25. So we can easily calculate what will be the value of HI. HI equal to 16.6 upon 25 into 5. 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15, 16 1 5 5 2 ja 10. So height of image will be 3.32. It is clear that height of object is 5 cm, whereas the height of image is 3.32, means it will be smaller in size. And as it is clear that distance of the object is 25 cm, but it is 16.6, means it will be in between f and 2f. focus and radius of curvature. Okay. Next, what is the next question? Just wait. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter. What we have given? We have given a concave lens. Okay, focal length is minus 15 centimeter. So for concave lens we take focal length as negative. Form an image 10 centimeter from the lens. Okay, 10 centimeter from the lens. So V equal to minus 10 centimeter because image will form toward this side. How far the object be placed from the lens? We have to calculate U and draw the ray diagram. So student, by the lens formula 1 upon F equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. 1 upon minus 1 upon 15 equal to 1 upon minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon U. So 1 upon U equal to 1 minus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15. So take 150 as 60 as minus 6 4. So it will be minus 2 upon 60. So means 1 upon 30. So object U equal to minus 30 centimeter. U equal to minus 30 centimeter. Yeah, it is correct. So minus 30 means negative, means it will be placed before the mirror. So how the image will be formed? This is concave lens. Okay, object, it will be 30 centimeter. This one we have, this is the 30 centimeter. What is given? U equal to minus 10. So just wait, I say, yeah, V equal to minus 10 V. So this is V, this one is V, this one is U. Okay, so this is the ray diagram. So student, next question is, an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. What? We have placed an object before 10 centimeter from convex mirror. Mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Okay, what? Focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. We have to find out the position of image and its nature. So by the formula 1 upon F equal to, beta just wait, it is for mirror. Yeah, 1 upon F equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. So 1 upon V equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. 1 upon F equal to 15 minus 1 upon U minus 10. So it will become 10. So 15 to the 30, 10 to the 30, 5 upon 30, 1 upon 6. So V equal to 6 centimeter. Yeah, it is correct. So image will form 6 centimeter behind the mirror. Okay. Yeah. Student, next question is, just wait, I will send the PDF of all these questions. Okay. an object 5 centimeter in length is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. What we are given? We are given that height of the object is 5 centimeter. And we have placed the object 20 centimeter in front of the mirror, means u equal to minus 20 centimeter. And radius of curvature is r equal to 30 centimeter, f equal to 15. Okay, yeah. Find the position and nature and size of the image. What we have to find out? We have to find out the position of the image, nature of the image, and its size. Okay. So what is the formula of mirror? 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So 1 upon 15 equal to 1 upon v. We have to find out the v, and u is minus 120. So 1 upon v equal to 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20. 60. Just wait, I want to check my answer. V equal to 60 upon 7. 60, sorry. So actually it is 60, I have written here 20, it is 60. Don't worry. Okay. So what will be? 8.57 approximately. Yeah, now it is correct. Okay, actually I have written here 20, but it is 60. Okay, don't worry. This is the distance of image from the mirror. What it will be? 8.57. It is positive, means it will be behind the mirror. Now next, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the, what it is written, position of the image and its nature and size. We have to find out the nature and size of the image also. So we know that m equal to hi over h naught equal to minus v over u. So hi equal to h naught is 5 centimeter, minus v is given as 8.57 and u is given as minus 20. Okay, so hi equal to 8.57 upon 20 into 5. Okay, so 5 4 ja 20, it will be 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8. It is 2.13 approximately, yeah, centimeter. Okay, so height of the image is 2.142 centimeter and distance of image is 8.57 centimeter. So image is small size, erect and virtual, because this is the convex mirror and it will be found behind the mirror. Now coming to the next question. An object of size 7 centimeter, height of object is 7 centimeter, is placed 20 centimeter in front of the concave mirror. What? 20 centimeter in front means u equal to minus 27. Of focal length 18 centimeter. It is the concave mirror, so focal length will be f equal to minus 18 centimeter. At what distance the image should be seen? Should the screen be placed so that the sharp focused image can be obtained? Okay, so we have to find out the v. Okay, find the size and same as that of the previous question. Okay, so how we will find out? 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is mirror. Yes. Now 1 upon v equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. 1 upon f equal to minus 1 upon 80 minus 1 upon 27. minus 1 upon 54. So V equal to minus 54 centimeter. Just wait, I am checking. Yeah, it is minus 54 centimeter. My negative is before the mirror. Okay, this is the position of image. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out m equal to hi over h naught equal to minus v over u. So we have to find out the hi. How we will calculate? We have given by this formula hi upon h naught is given 7 minus v is given minus k 54 minus minus plus and u is given minus 27. So it will be 2 minus 2, height of image will be minus 14. So it is negative, means image will be inverted before the mirror at 54 centimeter. And what we want to calculate? Nothing. Yeah. Next one is the find the focal length of lens of power minus 2 diopter. Okay, actually power is given as minus 2 diopter. So focal length equal to 1 upon power. Minus 1 by 2 means 0.5 meter. Next one is the doctor has prescribed corrective lens of power. Just wait, student. What is doctor have prescribed a lens having power P equal to 1.5 D. Find the focal length of the lens. Okay, we have to find out the focal length. Very easy. F equal to 1 upon P. So 1 upon 1.5. So it will be 10 upon 15. 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 6. So it will be 66.66 meter or 66 centimeter. Okay, is the prescribed lens diverging on or converging? It is very clear, as the focal length is positive, so it will be converging lens. Okay, it will be converging. Okay, student. So student, these are the solution of NCERT numericals. Okay, and if you, in case you face any problem, you can directly contact to me or contact to sir also, and I will provide the PDF of all these questions also. So first you have to watch this video. Then if you want to take support, you can take support from the PDF. Okay, and if for any query, if you have any query, so feel free to ask in my number. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.